everyone, welcome back to my channel The Happy Spot. We have planned to go to the beach today, so we have packed some of the stuffs like water bottles, snacks and the tent. I'll surely share my experiences over there, so stay tuned. Come, let's go. Backpack check, water bottles check, husband check. Let's get going. Look at the traffic. Oh my god. Like seriously? Oh my god.
Come with us to the beach.
We are heading towards Cowell Redwood State Park. Chandan bicycles here, or like Americans say, he bikes here every alternative days with his colleagues. I'm visiting this state park for the first time. Come, let's experience this together. You can enjoy the train ride from Santa Cruz Mountains, traveling through Redwood State Park, down the scenic San Lorenzo River, and arrives at Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. I and Chandan had a conversation now, and he just said that he and his friends end their downhill ride here. Am I right, Chandan?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Oops. Such a big tree. गिर गया है ना? Now Chandan will change his outfit and join his friends for a bike ride. You will get to see his adventure in a while. Meanwhile, I'll just enjoy my walk in the woods.
Yep. You want to be behind me? I got you. Thank you. Yeah. Did we miss it? Didn't we used to take the ride? No one surprises.
I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is The Happy Spot. And also please comment down below and suggest us the places that we could visit around the Bay Area. Thanks for watching.